Hi everybody, welcome back to Book Talk with Notion Press. Here we have with us Miss,
Aarushi Pandeya,
author of
Whispers of Love.
How is it visiting the world's largest book fair?
I feel really overwhelmed in a positive way
Right.
because it's my first book fair as an author.
Right. Have you? Oh, you've never been to another book fair?
As an author.
Right. Now you're seeing a complete different side to
Yeah.
coming to the book fair, right? So, what is one thing about your book you think stands out in its genre or theme?
The main thing about my book which stands out is that the protagonist in that finds unexpected romance in
Right.
the other protagonist.
Right.
And she did not. She first hated him at first.
Okay.
Did not have a good impression of him.
Right.
But then
it's an enemies to
eventually-
lover kind of.
Yeah,
story.
not enemies exactly, but yeah.
Okay. Right. So, what are some of the challenges you faced while writing this book?
I was writing, and again, I faced writer's block.
Okay.
What should I write beyond this?
Right.
But then I gave it a break for one day or two, and then it came to me while I was just sitting free, and it came to me on its own.
Right. So, for all the aspiring writers who are watching this, what piece of advice would you give them?
Keep writing and improve your vocabulary by reading more books and writing more.
Right.
That's it, I guess.
Have a good hold of language and then
Yeah,
you can.
yeah.
Wow, that's wonderful. Thank you so much for sharing your experience with us. I hope you have a wonderful book fair. Thank you so much.